guys, November 1st, 2022. This one I got a call from a lady. Her boiler's leaking water out the relief valve. I know she's got an older system there with a old style expansion tank that's got to be drained. I don't think I've been there for a couple of years to drain it, so it was leaking out the relief valve, and I guess the homeowner opened up the relief valve. He said a bunch of stuff came out. Now it's leaking worse, so gonna have to change the relief valve and drain the expansion tank down. It's an old style expansion tank that don't have a diaphragm in it. You gotta drain it out. There's usually a bleeder to let air in to drain the tank out. We're gonna need to change the relief valve on the boiler also. I think it's old cast iron radiators in the house, so it's gonna be a manual bleed type. Hopefully the water feed is still good. We'll find out when we get there. Try to get you some shots. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna run upstairs. You don't need me.
Nope.
So Dave did something with the valve last night, which was probably not a good thing.
Not a good thing, no.
I think you switched that one not that long ago.
We'll shut it off there and then we'll drain the tank out.
Okay. The dog is safe. He's locked up.
Okay. This I've been building a 30 and then the relief valve's been dumping. Might have to change that, I'm not sure yet. Let's drain the tank out. There's a little bleeder here. We'll take it out and I'll let air up. Now let air up and to drain the tank out. Got a live one here, Mama. Got a live one. Not sure if I could take this out or not, this relief valve. Might be a bugger to get off because it's going to hit right here. Let's see if I can get this pipe off of here. Relief valve's dripping, I'd like to change it. We'll have to drain some of the water out of this also, but drain some of this out, so change this relief valve. I'm going to shut the water feeder off. Tank gets drained, we can move the hose over. Yeah, so she's drained now, so we can move the hose over. We're going to drain the boiler, change that relief valve. I got the feeder off here. Actually, a relief valve here. See it? He doesn't even need the other one. I'm going to take the pressure off it so we can change this relief valve. Might have to back this off. Don't want to go crazy taking out too much. I gotta change this thing because it's leaking. This old-fashioned radiators, big system here. I might have to bleed the radiators after. Alright, I should be able to do it. Wow. Scary. That thing's on there. I'll take this off. I won't ruin it if I can get it off. That thing's definitely crusty. I can get it off. Wow. Need a bigger wrench. Alright, I got a 18-inch cheetah bar here. It should work. Give me some more leverage. There it goes. Sometimes you need a little bit of extra. You need a little extra. Need a little extra chooch, mama. Get the other one ready. 30 psi. This one's a little different. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. I don't need to put this back in too. A little lube on there, Mo. I'll give it a little lube. Alright, I can shut this drain off now. Stop draining the boiler. This thing usually never has water in it. It's just if it opens once in a while. A relief. Put the stuff back. All the air is going to go back into the, once I open this, all the air is going to go in here. Fill that, and then we'll open this, and this is going to fill the expansion tank up. All the air will go up into the expansion tank. I was here in 17, I drained the expansion tank. I was here in 2000, I drained the expansion tank. So now it's 2020, 2022. Every 2 years you gotta drain the tank. Might have to bleed a little bit of the radiators out after they run it a bit. The old-fashioned radiators. I tightened up that cap.
I owe you.
Well, let me just pack up my tools and I'll get it figured out for you.
Okay. I'm gonna go back upstairs real quick.
All right, give me a couple of minutes. The relief valve drained expansion tank. I did tighten that cap up. Feed is back on. The valve's back open for the expansion tank. It's not bleeding. It's not leaking. We're good. Here's a leaker.